Hello everyone, we are today together with a Peugeot Sport Van 508 GT Line Edition 220 225 horsepower. So stay with us and I will present you more details and whatever you want to know about the car itself. Let's get started and keep on going. This car has a pretty long name, longer than the Chinese wall I can say, but is also a long car itself, but still beautiful. Let's go directly into the business and let me present you an extraordinary beautiful car which is, in my opinion, look amazing. We can start by looking at this beautiful shape of the car designed by Peugeot, who really looks like an improvement for all electric and hybrid car, which in my opinion until now the designer of those cars were actually not focused so much in the car aspect and allure. Maybe just the efficiency of the batteries and the range of the driver can do while driving and so on. So tell me what you think about it. Just check this on. Hybrid and all this LED light. It really looks amazing. Take some time to look at it and enjoy. The problem is, dear people, that we don't have so much time, that Peugeot didn't allow you to get the car for longer than 30 minutes, and otherwise I think I have to pay some kind of penalty or so on. So I will go fast and tell you some things about the car I have with me over here, and probably next time, if it's gonna be a next time, we can talk more about it and I will show you more and more details that this car has, and it really has a lot of future. It's a new car, modern car. You can also see at the interior. I will show you just a piece of it now. I will show you more while we go inside. This car that we have today over here is equipped with two engines. Is a one benzene engine that we have on it. Is a 1.6 engine who give us 185 horsepower plus the hybrid engine, the electrical one, which in total the result of the horsepower they offer, that this Peugeot offers to us, is a 225 horsepower, and yeah, is a pretty fast car. I have tried it. I will show you when we go inside of the car, and you will see on the dashboard how fast is really going. So yeah, and yeah, it goes fast, but you still have a pretty good range on it. A range that is really surprising me is around 67 kilometers per liter. A liter benzene, as Peugeot counts in terms of Denmark. That's how they counting the consumer efficiency, not in liters per kilometers. So they counting in kilometers per 1 liter while driving. That efficiency, you can still reach up to 250 kilometers an hour top speed, which is amazing. 250 kilometers per hour top speed, and an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 8.2 seconds. But that has to do a lot with the weight of the car, which is a pretty heavy car. In my opinion, is a really heavy car. It weighs 1,875 kilos. And I have to add that my personal car, which I talked about in the previous video, I will just leave you the link in the video description, can do as fast as this car do the 0 to 100 acceleration, and is only has 180 horsepower, which is like around 50 horsepower less than this car has. So yeah, it's a really heavy car, but it's a really long at the time You have a lot of space in it. You're feeling like you are in a kind of a spaceship. Just look at it. It looks like it's never ending. Said check in the video description, in this video description, the link to my previous video about how you can make your car faster. Well, actually there I was talking about specifically about your Golf, but for whoever doesn't have a Golf, as I do, that's my personal car, my private car. All the things I have been saying there, they are applying in general to the all cars you may be driving right now. So that may not be an issue. So check it out. Right now, I'm going to show you the interior of this beautiful car. Just check it out. Just imagine driving on this beautiful car. It just feels amazing. And as I said before, you have a lot of space. Look over here. Also the back seats. You are like in the kind of limo or something like that. And the touch is very soft of these materials, and the seats, they are also pretty good quality. Everything is quality. But I'm afraid that the price has to be representing a lot this car. Just look at it. That's what you see from the back, which is a nice view. Over here I can see you have 2 USB ports for the people sitting behind. And I think, yeah, none of them is a Type-C, but still you have them. But in front is where the beauty takes place. Look at the steering wheel. It's just amazing. Let's talk a little bit about the multimedia system too. Of course, we have heating for the both front seats. I think we don't have for the back ones too. No, we don't. I can see nowhere that. So let's turn on this one, since it's very cold in Copenhagen right now. It is very cold. And here is the selector that you're selecting the modes of driving of this car, which you have. Now I'm on sport, which is gonna be really fun to drive. Yep, sport really do some magic. And then we also have, oh, it's showing here hybrid mode. So I think in this mode you're just switching between the, oh yeah, I finally figured it out, the hybrid mode, the hybrid driving mode, that's mixing the use of the battery power plus the benzene engine we have on it. And then when you go for electric, the car turns for fully electric. So then you are only on electric mode and the car becomes very quiet. You cannot hear nothing. Just the wheels turning, which are very big ones, 235 inches. Those are very beautiful. When I said before that you're gonna feel as in a spaceship, well, this is really is a spaceship. Just look at these all buttons. Yeah, they kind of look strange somehow, but the image of your dashboard and everything, plus those things over here, they are like just mind-blowing. Bam, one touch, navigation. And then let's go for climatization. I'm guessing that this is touch. Yep, nice. You're gonna love it. I also love this. And this is us moving. And this is sport mode. course, you have a reverse camera plus all the sensor features you might find in every new car nowadays. In my opinion, that's a must. I don't have on my car, and I wish I will have as soon as possible a new car with all these new things on and really enjoy driving. That's why I love automatic gearboxes. You gonna do that? Guess and just let me know in the comments what do you think, why do I love them, huh? Probably because I can drive and also film this video, and I can only drive one-handed without any problem. And yeah, you have a lot of features on the car. You have of course line assist, you have parking assist, you have blind spot sensors on the mirrors. Yeah, I can focus the sign you have over there. You have everything that you can imagine in this car. Is in my opinion, is a beautiful car. So I'm really sorry that I don't have quite a lot of time to explain you everything I know about it. I didn't have time to do a fully research about it, but yeah, it looks amazing, it feels amazing, it's drive amazing. I have only been driving for a few kilometers and I already love this car. I hope that one day I can deal with Peugeot and they're gonna give this car to us for one day so I can make a fully review about it. I'm really sorry guys. I will try to do my best. Thank you.